Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mini cereal white Russian. Super tasty and delicious cocktail. I'm pretty sure it's going to bring you a lot of memories. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka, Kahlúa, cinnamon toast crunch cereal, and milk. We're going to start by infusing our milk. Ice into a mixing glass, 1 ounce of vodka, half ounce of Kahlúa, and 1.5 ounce of the magic milk. Shake it like Saturday morning cartoons are still on. Fresh ice into the glass. We're gonna strain it. And we're gonna garnish this with some nostalgia. And that's how you make the mini cereal white Russian. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!